Welcome to the vibrant world of superfoods, where nutrition meets wellness. These nutrient powerhouses are essential for a balanced diet, offering more than just a health trend. Imagine foods like blueberries, not only delicious but packed with antioxidants, aiding in inflammation reduction and cognitive support. It's about enriching your meals, not replacing them. Diving into the essence of superfoods, they're celebrated for their rich vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These categories, from berries to nuts, form the cornerstone of a healthful diet. Take spinach, a leafy green powerhouse offering a wealth of vitamins A, C, and K, plus minerals for bone health and immune support. Its versatility in meals is unmatched. Incorporating superfoods into your diet can revolutionize your health, from reducing chronic disease risks to boosting your immunity. It's about embracing a lifestyle that cherishes vitality. Imagine the impact of regular superfood consumption: weight management, improved digestion, and enhanced energy levels. It's a holistic approach to nourishing your body and soul. While the allure of superfoods is undeniable, it's crucial to consider potential risks. Moderation is key, as is being mindful of food allergies and nutrient imbalances. For those with specific dietary restrictions, navigating superfoods can be a challenge. Yet, with careful selection, the benefits can be enjoyed by all, ensuring well being. Let's get creative in the kitchen. From smoothie bowls to vibrant salads, superfoods can transform your meals into a feast for the senses, packed with nutrition. Experiment with roasting nuts or sautéing vegetables. It's about making every meal an opportunity to fuel your body with what it truly needs to thrive. Embrace the journey towards a healthier life by incorporating superfoods into your diet. It's not just about eating, it's about enhancing your overall well being.